Well, it took me a little bit, but I got it wired up. I gotta still put the sheetrock up, the particle board. Pump in, water popping. I hate to put it on the floor, but I didn't bring my hose. I forgot all about my doggone hose. It's pressure treated. I'll sweep it out before I leave, so it don't just sit. It's gonna have to be some Clorox dropped in there. I'll tie those wires in a little bit better. Well, I should have put a switch in between there. I think it would have cut it off from right here instead of the switch out on the power side. You know, I got this over here too. That all in there. Got water dripping out. Yeah, so we'll get the panel back up in there. Get that back on there. Get it cleaned up out here. Plumber will be out tomorrow.